Welcome to the 46th installment in Trading Strategy Guide's Trading Education Series. Today we're going to look at a MACD trading strategy. Stay right where you are. Hi, this is Tim from TradingStrategyGuides.com. Thanks for coming back for this installment of our Trading Education Series. Today we're going to look at a MACD trading strategy. But first, I have got to tell you guys about this Cash Alerts app. It's an app for your phone or desktop that will allow you access to my trade setups and give you the venue to ask questions that I can answer directly. I'll also be sharing additional trade setups on the platform too. Look for the link below. We discussed the MACD indicator a couple of months ago, so I won't go into details about the indicator. I'll include a link in the upper right hand corner to that video so you can go back and watch it if you need to. There are quite a few ways you can use the MACD indicator for signals, but today I'm going to look at a strategy to pick up pullbacks from trends. This strategy works well for day trading as well as swing trading. For the purpose of this demonstration, I've got this on a Euro New Zealand dollar hourly chart. So add the MACD indicator to your chart using what is most likely the default settings of 12, 26, and 9, using the candle close as your source. Personally, I adjust the colors to use red and pink for the histogram instead of shades of orange. I also like to use a 2-pixel line width, but that's because of my old eyes. You guys be sure to use whatever colors and sizes make you happy because you'll be looking at it a lot. Next, add a 20-period simple moving average to the chart. Again, select the look that makes you happy. Happy is always good. Okay. Here are the rules for a buy signal. Number 1, the price should be above the 20 SMA in an uptrend. Number 2, the price pulls back toward the 20, and the MACD signal line should pull back to the MACD slow line or below it. I like to use the histogram because I find it much easier to know when the signal line crosses the MACD line. Number 3, the buy signal is the first candle close above the pullback candle where the signal line has crossed back above the MACD line. Number 4, set your stop loss below the swing low, right here. Number 5, take first profit when you have a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio. And number 6, close the trade when the price closes below the 20. Now let's take a look at a similar setup on the Great British Pound Swiss franc. This one actually pulled back more than the Euro New Zealand. The price has been above the 20 right here. The price then pulls back to the 20, closes below it, and then moves back above the 20. A couple of candles beyond that, the MACD goes bullish, and that is the buy signal. You'll buy on that candle close. The stop loss goes right under this prior swing low. Now the exit for this trade is right here for a tiny profit of 4 pips. That, of course, is not a whole lot to write home about, but that's not the end. The strategy gives us another buy signal right afterwards. The price has started to bounce and the MACD goes bullish, so the buy signal is right here on the close of this candle. The stop is right under here, about 50 pips. This time the price goes over 100 pips right up here, so you can close it there, or take half profit on the chance that it will go higher, and then close when the price pulls back below the 20. Now, of course, these rules work well for sell signals, just reverse all the trade directions. Remember, experiment with the parameters of the trade. You may find that taking profit at a 1-to-1 reward to risk or a 1.5-to-1 reward to risk ratio would be more profitable in the long run. Or you can just move the stop to break even when you hit the 1-to-1 point and see if it will go further. It all depends on the market and time frames you choose to trade on. Don't be afraid to try new things. You may hit on a combination that makes you a gazillionaire. As I've told you in previous videos, practice. Executing these strategies repeatedly will accomplish 2 very important things. Number 1, it will prove whether your strategy is actually profitable. And number 2, it will prove to you that your strategy is actually profitable. The importance of the second reason is that you will not give up on your successful strategy when you go through the inevitable drawdown periods that you will definitely experience. You have to have confidence in your strategy to be willing to continue when it's in a drawdown period. Remember, trading is not a get-rich-quick activity. This isn't the lottery. You are building a business, and businesses have their ups and downs, and you don't just walk away from it when it's down. That's not to say that you might want to take a break or a vacay or something, but that's different. New scenery is always a good thing. Just commit to going back to it in due time. And that is it for today's video. I got to mention this one more time for you guys. Comcash alerts. I've got my own app. That is just so cool. I love having my own app. You can get my trade setups and my trade tracking, and you can even chat with me on this app. You know I already do a weekly trade setup video. Well, those trade setups will be available on the app, plus the other trades I personally take every week. In fact, I added 3 trade setups today just before recording this video. Plus, the coolest thing about it is I get to post notes about the trades. This is something that has really bugged me for a long time. I put these trades out there in the video, and then you don't hear from me for the whole week, and if I make a change, there was no way for me to really share that. The YouTube venue just didn't make that easy. For example, the Euro-Swiss franc trade that we're currently in is pulling back right now, and I was able to comment that I was holding the trailing stop to try to weather the pullback. Just know I'll still be doing the trading picks videos each week, but I'll be including additional setups in the app as they happen. Click the link in the description below for more information. Come back Friday for my strategy of the week and next Monday for my trade picks. My videos come out at 3 p.m. New York time on those days. Don't hesitate to ask any questions you may have. Remember, the only stupid question is the unasked one. If this video helped you, smash the like below. Subscribe and hit the bell if you want to be notified of our videos in the future. Have a great Wednesday, and I will see you on Friday.